Education during a pandemic. Since the beginning, students have gone to school and sat in desks, while the teacher taught in front of the room, interacting with their peers, but things were all about to change due to the upcoming pandemic of COVID-19. Building teamwork skills while working in groups and being able to compromise are major elements that younger grades learn while in a classroom. Some activities that happen in a classroom are harder to do while on online format, and this made teachers and students rethink the process of how we teach and learn. When students and teachers were leaving the school building when COVID-19 first started outbreak, they had no idea what they could expect next for the world of education. Breaking news. Outbreak of COVID-19 has forced schools to shut down. Questions about how education will look in the future are starting to pile up. School closes and it's another hat for parents to wear. They have to become the school, the teachers, the lunch monitors, the school nurse, the recess monitor, and now they also become the researcher as they try out different routines, says Ellen. Schools are overwhelmed as they adapt to virtual learning and enhance safety measures inside school buildings that comply with COVID-19 guidelines. Teachers were asked what they needed help with from their schools and districts. The number one response was strategies to keep students engaged and motivated to learn remotely. Teachers and students are both hoping to come back to the classroom, but because of the circumstance that comes with new guidelines they have to tackle, wearing a mask and reducing the number of people in a classroom are some steps that are being taken to slowly transition back into a working classroom environment. Working with peers is something that is part of the education system, but with the new guidelines, teachers are still trying to find ways that students can work in partnerships to help with social skills.